How to fix Exoborne crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window, and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files button and wait for this process to finish. Once this is done, you want to go to the general tab in the same window, and then under launch options you want to type -dx11. You can also try -d3d D3D11 if the first command does not work for you, and then you can close out of this window. Next, you will need to open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. You want to go to the drivers section and make sure to download the latest game ready driver. And if you have the latest one, you can try to reinstall it from or by clicking this button right here. Now, once you finish reinstalling or installing the driver, you will need to also make sure you have the redistributables installed by searching redist in your browser and then clicking on the first link, and then download the 86 and the 64 version from this table and install them. Once you finish installing these two versions, you will need then to restart your computer. And before launching the game again, you will simply need to open up Steam as administrator and then just hit the play button, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.